Are you worried about your checked luggage getting lost, stolen, or damaged while traveling? In this video, we will share essential tips to ensure your baggage stays secure during your journey. From choosing the right suitcase to using modern tracking technology, these expert recommendations will help you travel with confidence. Learn how to select the best luggage, use locks effectively, label your bags properly, and keep valuables safe. Plus, we'll reveal a pro tip at the end that most travelers don't know about. Make sure to watch the full video and subscribe for more travel tips. Script. Intro. Traveling is exciting, but dealing with lost or damaged luggage is frustrating and stressful. Airlines handle thousands of bags daily, and unfortunately, some get misplaced. However, you can greatly reduce the risk of losing your luggage by following a few simple but effective steps. In this video, we will cover essential tips to keep your checked luggage safe and secure. Stay until the end for a pro tip that will give you even more control over your baggage. 1. Choose the right suitcase. The first step to protecting your luggage is choosing the right suitcase. Hard-shell luggage is more durable and offers better protection against rough handling. It prevents fragile items from getting crushed and keeps your belongings safe in unpredictable travel conditions. Soft-shell luggage, on the other hand, is more flexible and can expand to fit extra items. However, if you choose a soft-shell suitcase, make sure it has reinforced corners and high-quality zippers to reduce the risk of damage. Additionally, selecting a suitcase that stands out is a smart move. Many travelers use standard black luggage, making it harder to distinguish at baggage claim. Choosing a suitcase in a bright color or adding a unique luggage strap or tag will help you spot your bag quickly and reduce the chance of someone taking it by mistake. Pro tip: if you have to use a black suitcase, personalize it with a bright luggage tag, stickers, or a custom handle wrap to make it easily recognizable. 2. Use a secure lock. One of the biggest security risks while traveling is unauthorized access to your luggage. Theft can happen at airports, during layovers, or even by dishonest baggage handlers. Using a tsa-approved lock is essential if you are traveling to or from the United States. The Transportation Security Administration has the right to inspect checked baggage, and they may break locks that are not TSA-approved. TSA-approved locks, however, can be opened with a universal key by security agents, preventing damage to your lock or suitcase. If you are traveling outside the United States, consider using a high-quality combination lock or a smart luggage lock. Some smart locks use Bluetooth or fingerprint technology, making them even more secure. Pro tip: in addition to using a lock, secure your zippers with a zip tie. If the zip tie is cut when you retrieve your luggage, you will know that someone has accessed your bag. 3. Label your luggage smartly. Proper labeling helps ensure that your luggage can be returned quickly if it gets misplaced. However, many travelers make the mistake of putting too much personal information on their baggage tags. It is best to include only your name, phone number, and email address. Avoid putting your home address on your luggage tag, as this can be a security risk. If someone sees your address while you are traveling, they might assume that your house is unoccupied. For added security, place an extra copy of your contact information inside your suitcase. If the external tag is removed or lost, airport staff can still identify the bag's owner. Pro tip: use a QR code luggage tag. These tags allow you to store your contact information digitally and keep it private while still allowing airline staff to contact you. 4. Take a picture of your bag if your luggage gets lost. Describing it accurately can be difficult. Taking a photo of your bag before check-in will help airline staff identify it more quickly. Make sure the photo shows the entire suitcase, including its color and brand, any unique features, such as stickers, tags, or straps, the contents inside, in case you need to file a claim. Keeping a written list of valuable or important items in your checked bag can also be useful when filing a compensation request. Pro tip: instead of just taking a photo, record a short video showing the exterior and interior of your bag. This serves as proof of the condition of your luggage in case it gets damaged. 5. Use a luggage tracker. One of the best ways to keep track of your checked luggage is by using a luggage tracking device. These small, lightweight trackers allow you to monitor your bag's location in real time through a smartphone app. Popular options include Apple AirTag for iPhone users. Tall Tracker works with both iPhone and Android GPS-based trackers that work worldwide. Be placing a tracker inside your suitcase. You will always know its location, even if the airline cannot find it. This reduces the stress of lost luggage and helps speed up recovery. Pro tip: if you use an AirTag, place it deep inside your bag rather than in an external pocket to prevent it from being removed. 6. Wrap or cover your luggage. Luggage wrapping is a great way to protect your suitcase from dirt, scratches, and tampering. Many airports offer professional luggage wrapping services, but you can also buy reusable luggage covers that serve the same purpose. Plastic wrap not only prevents unauthorized access, but also keeps zippers secure. If someone attempts to open your suitcase, you will immediately notice any signs of tampering. Pro tip: if your suitcase does not have built-in locking zippers, use zip ties or cable ties in addition to wrapping. This makes it even harder for someone to open your bag unnoticed. 7. Keep valuables in your carry-on. Never pack important or valuable items in your checked luggage. Airlines do not take responsibility for lost or stolen valuables inside checked bags. Always keep these items in your carry-on. Passports, travel documents, and in cash, credit cards, and jewelry. Electronics like laptops, cameras, and hard drives. Medications and essential health supplies. Be keeping these items with you. You avoid the risk of losing something irreplaceable. Bonus pro tip: track your bag after landing before heading to baggage claim. Check your luggage tracker or airline's tracking system to see if your bag has arrived. If you notice any delays, report the issue immediately. The faster you act, the higher the chances of getting your bag back. Outro. And that's it. By following these steps, you can travel with peace of mind, knowing your luggage is safe. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fellow travelers. If you have any personal travel hacks, let us know in the comments below. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.